If you're a health enthusiast, you need to know this. CPR can save lives and it's easier than you think. CPR, or cardiopulmonary resuscitation, is a vital skill that can make the difference between life and death. When someone's heartbeat or breathing stops, CPR helps circulate blood and oxygen to the brain and vital organs. Here's the breakdown. Start with chest compressions. Place the heel of your hand on the center of the chest. Press hard and fast, about 120 times per minute. Let the chest rise fully between compressions. Next, if you're trained, add rescue breaths. After 30 compressions, tilt the head, lift the chin, and give 2 breaths, making the chest rise. If you're untrained, stick to hands-only CPR, continuous compressions without breaths. Remember, if someone is unresponsive and not breathing, call emergency services and start CPR immediately. Take a CPR course to build your skills and confidence. Knowing CPR can save a life. Be prepared.